Myself, Suresh Algolu, Assistant Professor of Statistics, Sir C.R. Reddy College, Eluru. Today we discuss about, our topic is correlation. So what is meant by correlation? The definition of correlation is the relationship between two random variables, any two random variables x and y is called a correlation. So there is two types of correlation. The first one is positive correlation. The next one is negative correlation. So what is meant by positive correlation? If one variable is increases, that affects also increases the another variable. This is called a positive correlation. The two variables are in the same direction. If x is increases, then y also, that affects also increases the another variable, then y also increases. The two variables are in the same direction, that is known as a positive correlation. Or if x is decreased, that affects decreases the another variable. When x is decreased, then y also automatically decrease. The relation is called a positive correlations. There is some examples: height and weight of group of students, and price and supply of commodity. There is some examples: height and weights of a group of persons. When height is increases, then weight also automatically increases. The both variables are in the same direction. When one variable is decreased, that affects automatically decreases the another variable. So that relation is known as a positive correlation. The second technique is negative correlation. So what is positive correlation? The positive correlation means the two variables are in the deviate in the same directions. The next one is negative correlation. So what is meant by negative correlation? If one variable is increases, that affects decreases the another variable. That is called a negative correlation. So what is meant by negative correlation? When one variable is increases, that affects automatically decreases the another variable. If one variable is increases, that affect automatically decreases the another variable. That means the two variables x and y are quite opposite directions. When the two variables in the opposite directions, such a correlation is known as a opposite directions. When x is decreased, suppose x is decreased, that affects automatically increases the another variable y. That affects also, that means the both variables are in the opposite direction. That is known as a negative correlations. Volume and pressure of a gas. That is the example of negative correlations. When suppose there is no relation between two variables, suppose the relation may be positive or negative. In such a case, suppose x and y are two independent random variables. If x and y are any two independent random variables, the correlation may be 0. So there is no relation between any two random variables. There is no relationship between two random variables like x and y. There is no relation between two random variables x and y. Such a correlation is called a no correlation or zero correlation. No correlation or zero correlations. This is the types of correlation. Thank you.